Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Dad to Be Creative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. So I'm just going to show you what I got and read off the SKU numbers, and you can call the 1-800 product hotline number, type in the SKU and your zip code, and they'll let you know whether or not that product is in your area. So just have a small little haul. I did get 2 embossing folders by Sizzix. Of course, they're $1.99 for one and $3.99 for a double pack. The $1.99 one was by Rachel Bright, and it is 197-8435. And this one is entitled Wheelbarrow with Sunflowers. I thought it was a nice fall themed one. Got a little pumpkin in the background too, and sunflowers are always beautiful. And this one, of course, is a Tim Holtz Alterations, and this is a 2-pack for $3.99. And the number for this one is 197-8442. And this one's called Blueprint and Gear Set. And I don't think I have that one. I just thought it was cute. I really like the Blueprint. I have a steampunk one, but I like those gears as well. And I got a die to go with that. Hide Swap to do, ephemera set. Well, that's, I said to do because that's in there. That's not the name of it. 203-8620 for $1.49. It's a 73-piece set. And most of them acetate. So that's that set right there. The Amy Tangerine, they had quite a few Amy Tangerine. I put on my Instagram, they had a ton of the Sugar Bell and the Sweet Tooth Fairy items, a lot of them. I got as many pictures as I could, but it was a lot of items. If you're into making cookies and all of that, then definitely check that out as well. And they had quite a few Amy Tangerine items and stuff. I only got this one. I like this one because it's the rubber, it's textured. And it's $2.49. I didn't really want to pay that much for it, to be honest. 205-2232. This set right here by Dear Lizzie, 40-piece. And this goes with the Wonderverse, no, Stargazer set. Which I don't have the paper. I just wanted the ephemera. And the sticker right here, $1.99. Which is kind of high too. 202-9473. So, you know, I'm friendly with everybody Tuesday morning. They know me because I go in there so much. But the gentleman was saying that some of the prices are going up because the Dollar Tree is going out of business. We'll see. Anyway, this is My Mind's Eye Bliss. And this is 99 cents, which I thought was an awesome price. It's only 25 stickers, but still a good price. And gold foiling on it, or copper foiling. And it is Bliss stickers 203-5461. So for $1, and I have the paper pad. And I believe I bought the ephemera pack last year, so I should still have it. I gotta look and make sure, but I think I had that. But I couldn't find it this year. This is a Maggie Holmes one, and this is stickers with gold foiling 202-6711, and this goes with a carousel. Which is in the store right now if you need it. Another Amy Tangerine. They had quite a few of her stickers, I mean her paper pads as well. Some cute 6x6 ones. I was tempted, but I didn't. I think I got this in the chipboard one, and then this was $1.99. 205-2204, 60-piece clear sticker set. I'm not sure, I may already have this one. Another Maggie Holmes for $1.99. This is goes with Flourish 204-5059. I was excited to get that. Is that the paper pad? Love those little stamps right there. They're really cute. So, you know, her paper is pretty much the same color thing line, so you can, you know, one collection can go in another collection. So in her case, I would definitely be able to mix them out. Picked this up for my daughter. It's a sketchbook. It says creativity, experimenting, taking risks, breaking rules, and having fun. And it was $6.99. 202-1273. This is a sketchbook, so the pages are all clear, nice chipboard, I think. Chipboard, and it doesn't say how many sheets in here, does it? 176 acid-free perforated pages. Told you my daughter's interior design, so she does a lot of sketches, renderings, and layouts and stuff. So this is for her when she's on the go. For her just to be creative, to take notes and think about ideas and things like that. She has one, but it's a plain one. So I want to get her something a little bit more dressy. And with a sturdier one. This is thicker chipboard versus the other one that comes in like a regular art journal type paper one. So hopefully she'll like that. While I was there, someone wanted to bless me with this. I already told him that somebody, that Yvette had sent me these in mail, but this person, because they were in the store, they were buying them and they wanted me to have them, and they didn't want me to say their name, and I couldn't say no. They made that clear. So I got 3 more of the SNAP mounting bars, and so you know who you are. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Somebody who lives here locally. And they got me 3 of the medium for $1.99 and 3 of the small ribbons. So the medium ones are 202-9532. The small ribbon 202-9530, and the bars 202-9527. So the bars are $2.99 and these are $1.99 each. Now, FYI, the ribbon clips and the washi clips are not the same width, because I already tried it with my the other set. So they're not. And the large washi is not the same size like it's the medium ribbon or the large ribbon. So they are slightly different in size. They will fall out if you don't get the exact right clip for the exact right size. I was able in the small washi to get one of like a really skinny one in there, but it's a little loose. So I mean, it's just funny. So you would think they're the same because they look the same, but they're little slight differences, little millimeters off, centimeters off, and so your stuff won't necessarily hold unless you get the right size clip. So anyway, to you, special person, thank you, thank you, thank you. That was so sweet of you. You did not have to do it, and I told you I didn't need it. I was sad, but they insisted, and so you know they want to do something, and they argued with me. So anyway, I was grateful and I was thankful, and I can't say the name. They don't have a YouTube channel per se, like as far as doing videos, but they are on the YT. They do have a channel. They comment on people's pages, but they don't do videos. And they're on Instagram too, but I will respect their wishes. And thank you very much. And you guys, I want to say thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. Hi to my new followers. And next month is my birthday month, and I will be coming out with a contest, a challenge, shall I say, for my birthday with a nice giveaway. I'm trying to think of what I want to give away. But anyway, so I'll be getting that together and you'll hear about that in November. I got to figure out all the details that I want, so I'm still thinking that out. I think I have an idea, but just to know that's coming up. And it will be some goodies in there, some embossing photos, some stickers, and some dies, and some paper, and that kind of stuff. So, anyway, so be on the lookout for that. So, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.